What you see right here is the Avant credit card. Let's talk about if it is still worth it or not. So, it is an unsecured credit card made for people with fair to poor credit with no security deposit needed. Its pros is that, as I said, it has no deposit required. It has reports to all three credit bureaus, which helps build credit. It has a fast online pre-qualification with no impact on your score, and it is mobile-friendly account management. Its cons is that its APR is high. It has around 30%, so don't carry a balance for it. It also has no rewards or perks. Annual fee can range $0 to $59 depending on your credit. So the final verdict for this is that the Avant card is a decent option if you need to build credit and want to skip the secured card route. It is not fancy, but it gets the job done. Just pay in full every month to avoid those high interest charges.